Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Benny Done Crazy Marcus here, and we're finally here with season 2 of Adventures in Cooking with me, Crazy Marcus. So today we're going to venture a bit further from home. We're going into the Spanish culture with a Spanish dish some of you may have tried, some of you may not have tried. It is called magro con tomate, which roughly translated basically means pork with tomatoes. It is a Spanish stew. Now, if any of you have had it before, you may have had it as a tapper in a little sort of porcelain bowl, maybe with crusty bread. Very delicious. So, the ingredients we have, of course, got some very beautiful onions and chopped garlic. Of course, some diced pork, which of course I will be chopping up into smaller pieces. Some tomatoes and a cheap carton of Vino Blanco white wine. Can't wait to try it. See you in a minute. Okay guys, just finishing cutting up the meat.
Right, which is recording, which is not? I think that's been recording all the time. Oh, for fuck's sake.
It's still recording. That's pause.
That's pause as it is.
The 2 lines.
So
it's still recording. Pause it. Okay guys, cutting the last bit of meat up, ready to be cooked. Okay, so now I've cut the meat into some smaller bits. What we're going to do is we're going to seal the meat, basically just brown it off a bit. Then we'll add the wine, then start cooking it. Can't wait. Get some oil just so it don't stick. That will be enough, maybe. Okay guys, going to add the meat into the big pot. Then I'm going to put the gas on. Then just keep stirring the meat around your pot or frying pan, whichever you'll prefer to use. Just make sure it don't stick and basically just brown it off. Then once it is finely browned off, we will be adding the wine to it. Vino Blanco white wine. Can't wait. Okay guys, so the meat's starting to burn off. I have forgot that I am meant to season it with a tiny bit of salt, not too much though. Okay, I think that will be enough. Then, now it is burned off, going to add half a cup of white wine. Then basically keep stirring it till the alcohol from the wine has evaporated. Oh, smells quite nice already, actually. If only YouTube wouldn't think smell-o-vision. Okay guys, so the alcohol's just about evaporated, and I'm not sure whether they mean the alcohol smell or whether they mean the alcohol as in like the gravy we've got in there, but because the second option will take ages, we are now going to add our onion and garlic, freshly chopped up and prepared by the beautiful Scooter Sue for me. Much appreciated, Scooter Sue, if she's watching. Just make sure I don't really waste any. Okay then, now just keep stirring everything round. Make sure you cook the onion and garlic. Then we'll see you when we add the tomatoes. Okay guys, just making sure everything's all nice and cooked up. Does seem like the wine has now evaporated a bit. Gordon Ramsay, you've got nothing on me, mate. I'm the best cook. Okay, so now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm not sure how to open this. Watch it go everywhere, guys. Okay, adding the tomatoes in now. Then basically what you're going to do, guys, is you're just going to mix in the meat, onion and garlic and what is left of the white wine into the mixture. Basically make it all just one big sort of mix. And I can't wait to try it. It actually looks quite nice. Now, there is a little problem. It don't really say that you can have this with. One site has said maybe crusty bread, do it as a tapper. But we're doing it as a meal. Now, someone has said maybe do it with chips or a salad. Instead, I've decided to do it with some potatoes and carrots. So it is going to be nice. Just going to try and get some more tomato juice in there. Make sure it's all nice and mixed up. I really cannot wait to taste it, guys. I'm hungry. Okay, guys, you may need to add a bit of water in once the wine has evaporated just to stop everything from sticking. And unbelievably, it takes an hour to cook, but that is maybe just for everything to sort of cook in to the mixture. So, yeah, see you in about an hour. I'm not going to keep recording, of course, so, yeah, you'll see a bit of a sped up version. Okay guys, so we're only a few minutes into it cooking. We have added a wee bit more water to it going to take a look at what it looks like. Hopefully I don't drop the lid. There you go. Smells coming off it. There is still a bit of a white wine smell. We can also smell a bit of garlic and some tomato. I can't wait to try it, guys. Looks delicious. Okay, so roughly half an hour's been. Going to put the veg on, let that cook up. And of course, we're still waiting for the main thing to cook. Should be about another hour. Just going to give a quick check. Looks delicious, guys. Hopefully we don't have to wait much longer. I am really hungry and impatient, so okay guys, everything is finally ready. What I'm going to do first is put a couple spuds each for us first. Then of course once I have dealt out the veg, I will put some meat and onions on each plate for us. Then I'll try to sprinkle the sauce over the spuds and the carrots. Okay, so yeah, that should be enough. Okay, a few carrots. Not really going for presentation here. It is just a home cooked meal, guys, and I'm not really a Michelin star chef. More like a Benetton chef. Okay, that's everything dished up. Going to try and move the main over to the front wing. Okay, so my plan is to get some meat and just put it on side of the plate, like so, if it'll work. Okay, that's one plate sorted. Hold the other one across and straight away already I am getting quite a smell of the wine from it and the garlic. It does look really nice, guys. I can't wait to try it. Then, final plate. Just push some stuff to the side there. Try to get a nice, a big scoop of the meat and stuff. And place it to the side of the plate like so. Bit more. Then, now what I'll try to do is just trying to get some of the gravy type stuff and just sprinkle it over the top of the spuds and carrots, which isn't really working because there's not much gravy in it, so to speak. I'm getting more meat than I am gravy, guys, as you can see here. And there's still some stuff left in the bowl. probably would have been better getting the pot and just tipping it over everything, to be honest. Okay, guys, dinner is served. There you are, Mum.
Looks nice.
There we go. Just sit myself down and I'll let Mum be the first one to test it.
So let's get some meat. Cool. Straight away I'm getting garlic. Taste the wine as well in it. Very nice. Meat's cooked nice, tender.
Okay, so got 2 bits of meat there, bit of onion, time to give it a taste myself. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Straight away, as Sue said, you're getting a taste of the garlic in it. And there is still the tiniest hints of the white wine we mixed in with it, which does make it extra nice.
It has got a kick to it, so I don't know what
Gonna
that is.
try mix on my carrots in with the gravy there.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely delicious. Rating wise, Mum, what would you rate it?
9 out of 10. It is nice, but yeah, I think maybe with some chips or with the crusty bread would have been nice. It is nice.
I'll go with 10 out of 10. It is very nice. It's something we wouldn't have really tried before, though I think we have tried it probably once or twice as tappers in a bar.
Can I revise my rating?
Yeah, go on then.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Brilliant.
That piece of meat I've had was so tasty. It's soaked into the meat, so it gives the meat a nice flavour as well.
Brilliant. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for this brand new season of adventures in cooking with Crazy Marcus, and this week we have a bonus episode, a very special episode, so stay tuned for Wednesday. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Keep eating.
We did make a bit of a mistake.